Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to use the AI Image Fusion feature in PhotoDirector 365. In the new version of PhotoDirector 365, you'll see these options when you open the app. Now they keep changing these options, so it may look a bit different for you. So click on Gen AI Studio, and it'll open PhotoDirector in Gen AI Studio mode. Next, in the Transform section, click on Image Fusion, and it'll bring you to this page. Click on Sort Now, and you'll see this pop up. Drag and drop your image here, or click on Import Photo, which is what I'll do, and then choose from Local Drive. Navigate to your folder on your computer, choose your image, and then click Open. So here is the image, then click Continue. Wait for a few seconds as it loads, and then it'll open the Image Fusion section. So here is the image that I just imported. In this left side panel, you can upload your own style image or use one of the many templates as you can see here. So I'll choose this ink template, and here it is. You can check this box if you want to maintain the same background of your source image. I'll leave this unchecked. And then check this box to agree with the terms of service and privacy policy. And then click on Generate. It will then start generating the image based on the chosen template, and it will use up 2 of your AI credits. And here's how the image came out. And if you're happy with it, you can click the Import button at the top. Now let me show you a few other templates that are used. So this is the Vibrant template. This probably does not suit well for a male, probably more for a female. This is the Comic template. This is the Christmas template. And here is the Enchanted template. Now, if you generated multiple images and want to bulk download them to your computer, you can click on My Creations in the top right corner, and you'll see this pop up with your creations. And then you can select the ones that you want to download and then click on the Download button, and they'll be downloaded to your computer. But that's pretty much it. If you want to try PhotoDirector 365, check the link in the description section. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.